Morning, everybody. This is Mike Lung over at Allendale's trading floor. It is Thursday, November 19th. Starting the day off with a little bit of red on the screen. As you can see, corn and beans a bit lower, with wheat actually unchanged on the day as of right now. So we're going to be watching these markets, seeing what these have in store after a slight increase of open interest yesterday. Corn could be just sitting back for a minor correction, but we'll talk about some of the charts in a little bit. On the fundamental side of things, we're going to be focused a lot on overseas crops at this time, going into our winter time frame. What's going on in Brazil, what's going on overseas, especially Ukraine, with what the USDA did to Ukraine production, and really attributing a lot of our exports to that situation. So as of right now, they are looking like they're going to have a short crop, and it's definitely something that could keep a little support under this market, so something we could be watching for. Australian wheat, after the last several years of a good wildfire that's been taking out their crop, they finally have a good wheat crop coming for them, which is important because they send out a lot of it. So something also to be watching there for the world supply numbers, and focus on tomorrow's December grain option expiration. As we saw on the November option expiration for beans, it can get a little wild for no other reason than options are expiring and people are looking to exit them or cover themselves for exercise on Monday. On the export side of things, bullish for both corn and beans. Wheat's a little bit below expectations, but as of right now, it looks like we still have some good support working its way into this export market. So the demand pull should still, based on the numbers we are getting, be in effect. On the technical charts, you got a nice uptrend still in place. We're going to be watching this chart and starting to change some of these around now that March is being focused on as the most active contract with the most open interest going in. As of right now, the chart is still giving me Ds20, but that will change next week. So still a nice clear uptrend in place. The December contract still holding its gap in play and could be looking at a very minor bull pennant forming here with the inside day that is forming at this point. So we'll be watching that, looking for a good breakout. Have yet to break this 10-day moving average, something definitely to be monitoring going forward. Still a bullish tone to the market, still an open interest increase going for the corn showing, especially with a little bit of gap there on the chart, that we still are finding buyers up here. On the beans most active chart, still clear uptrend in place, but we are backing off our highs very well this week, something to definitely be monitoring. During the 2016 rally, we had this chop between this $10 and $11 mark and a quick rifle all the way up to the $12 mark before getting a nice blow off top in play. So potentially something to be worried about is this longer tail that is forming on the top of this weekly chart. So we'll be monitoring that, seeing what the commitment to trades report has to say tomorrow, and if we do hold our weakness here throughout the day. On the wheat side of things, still about sideways here. You're bouncing around the $6 mark, not really doing too much in the wheat market with everything that's happening in the corn and beans. Wheat on the number side of things, saying that we should be near this 570, 560 area, but the trade is holding a little bit of a premium at this time, potentially because you have corn and beans that are in a nice clear uptrend still at this time. On the livestock side of things, we're looking for the cattle on feed report on Friday. We have average estimates here on feed 101.8 placements, 90.8 with marketing 100.2 is our average estimates. We got choice and select. Choice again up, continuing to move higher, and carcass for hogs down. On the technical picture, you still got this megaphone in place, looking at taking a little bit of break at these levels, potentially just filling the gap and looking to work its way back up to the top end of this range we've been trading. On the hog side of things, still in that downward pattern, but found some support around this 100-day moving average. Something to definitely be watching going forward is if we do get a setback at this point. It looks like we are finding some decent support right around along these old highs and these moving averages. So something to be watching. If you guys have any questions, please give me a call back. Call 815-578-6177. Have a great day out there.